Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can manage multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. So let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to youtube.com here. And now at the right top part, I will hit on my photo here. Okay, now you can see settings options at the bottom part here, settings. I will hit on the settings. Okay, now under settings, here you can see add or manage your channel. I will hit on that. Okay, now here you can see all the channels that I manage using this Gmail account. So at the laptop part, here you can see create a channel. Now I am going to name the new channel here. Suppose new channel will be Tech House. This is my testing channel. So you will name it as your requirement, and you will set a handle as your previous channel. You will create a handle here. This handle Tech House is not available right now. So I will add a number here. Suppose I will add here Tech House hyphen 25. Now I will hit the create account. Now after creating the account, you will customize your account as the previous account. Thus, you can manage multiple accounts using the same Gmail account. That's all the video. Thanks for watching.